is the second model. This one does not have an elevator, but it's pretty fantastic. So as you saw that I was coming up the stairs, so this is another open floor plan. Here you go. As you can see, it's a different size. I'll get to the specs during the video, so keep posted. And this too also has an outdoor sitting area. So beautiful. Pretty nice. And so, all right, let's go upstairs and see what we see. So I came in on the bottom level. There was a bedroom down there, and I came upstairs and there was the kitchen and living area and the powder room. So it looks like I am on the 3rd floor with a primary and 2 bedrooms. There's another floor. Let's check it out. Let's think this through. So this would be floor number 4, I believe. So let's count down as I walk down the stairs. So upstairs, the rooftop patio was 4. This is 3 with a primary and 2 bedrooms and a full bath and the washer and dryer. Sorry. And let's go down to, so that would be 3. So let's go down to 2, floor 2. And this would be the living area and the kitchen, as you can see. And then let's tootle on down to floor number 1, where you enter from the front door and the garage. And there's also a bedroom and a full bath down here. So this is pretty fantastic. Off to the next one.